Okay, so everybody else is doomsday prepping and whatnot, so hey, why not me? So I got this battery pack thing here, so we're gonna check it out and see what it looks like here. You can see it's the portable power station, and that's what it's gonna look like, hopefully, when I get it open here. So see what's in here is the power cord, so we can charge it. That'll be handy. Put that aside over here. And then, let's see how this looks. So, first look, that's it. Oh, it's pretty heavy because it's got a lot of battery going on in it. And looking at it, you can see it's got the cigarette adapter, 12 volt out, 24 volt out, 21 volt in. And then the regular 110 outlets and USB, and then a Type-C adapter too. And it looks like there's a light on the back. Whoa, man, that was bright. Okay, wasn't expecting that to be so bright. Okay, and now I'm blinded. So this is the kit. Let's see what it looks like when I turn it on. So we can see there's no power going on in it right now, but it's got 3 dots. So if I plug in my phone, oh, I can't because I have my phone right here. Well, I don't know. We'll try to plug in something for it. But we can see it's got, you know, the AC settings and everything. So now the AC is on. So now these ports are putting out power. But I'm gonna try to plug it in because what I really want to use this for is I have my camper and I want to try to plug it into that and see if it can run like, you know, all this equipment in there so I can watch my TV and everything like that when I'm off power. So we're gonna go out there and give it a shot. Well, my goal was to try it on the camper, but I was having problems with my just doing anything in the camper because, I don't know, because it's kind of winterized. But I'm gonna try it on here. I've got a lamp, and let's plug it in and see what happens if I plug it in the right way. And, oh, okay, so we got power on the lamp. Let me push it in for the So we got power on the lamp, so that works. Let's see if we can run the fan at the same time. So I'm gonna plug that in too. Let's see what we get. So, my little Dyson fan here, and we're gonna put power on. And it works fine. You see, there it goes. It's pulling 10 watts right now. I wonder if I increase the power, if it really increases anything. Not really. 56 watts, but see, it's working. It's pretty sweet. So I'll be able to run some of my electric stuff when the power's out and everything else. So this is nice. It'll be nice to have some lights. This is an LED bulb, so that's why it hardly uses any. But I'll turn that off because the fan's going really loud. But you can see, and pretty nice. This is nice. I like this, and it's super convenient, really easy to carry. I mean, I'll be able to take this anywhere, and I'll be able to have it for the emergency light as well. And it's got a flashing light, so I can put it on the side of the road. Pretty much got everything it needs. It's very nice. Good for doomsday preppers and whatnot. And good, I'm excited.